Hi Subara, this video is going to show you how to implement the VAT function that we need to have on the system from the 1st of January 2015. It's actually a very simple thing we need to do because FreshBooks can do everything for us. We just need to send the right numbers to them. I have in FreshBooks created some different taxes that is responding to, it's the taxes that we have in each country, not tax but VAT actually. I put in the right rates: 19% in Germany, 20% in Austria, 25% in Denmark, and 25% in Sweden. And every country will have a different VAT percentage, so we need to have a variable in our system that we also have here in FreshBooks. I think you can refer to it through the API with this name because it is called number/ID, but I'm not 100% sure. We need to look into the API and see how can we refer and add a VAT to the amount. So that's one part that I need you to look into. The second part I will explain right here, because here I've made 4 different examples, one in Germany, Austria, Denmark, Sweden. I put in the VAT amount here, and here I put in the money that a user is transferring. So in the case he is depositing 100 euros in Germany, we want to add 19%, but we don't want to add it to the 100 because then we get some wrong numbers. We want to add it to this number, then the VAT will be this, and these two numbers put together is 100, and that's what the user is paying. So the big question here is, how do we come up with this number? Well, we take the 100 and then we divide it with 1.19, and in this case 100 and divided by 1.2. So what you need to do is just divide the number that the user wants to pay with 1 point the VAT, then you get this number, and this is the number that we in future should send to FreshBooks as the number, and then the FreshBooks will calculate the right VAT on its own, and the receipt will then be on this amount, which is what the user have paid. That is version 1 scenario. There's also another scenario that we need to discuss, and that is, what if we tell the user, if you want to deposit 100, that's fine. Then when he goes to FreshBooks, or when he makes his payment, the payment will actually be 119 for Germany, because then we added the VAT to the amount he wants to pay. I'm not sure that I like this solution because it's a little bit too tough if we don't tell him that if you want to deposit 100, you will actually deposit 119 because we will add. So I really don't recommend that we do this solution. I think we should do the top solution where he says, I want to deposit 100, that's fine. Then he's actually giving us 84. And the 15 will become VAT, and then he gets 100 on his account. So yeah, I hope this makes sense. Let's discuss it. But from this you can also see how much money we are going to lose from the 1st of January, because all of this will go directly to each country as a VAT payment, and this will be taken out of our bottom line, and we will no longer make this money. So it is a little bit of a problem that we hopefully will be able to deal with when we get to the 1st of January. Let's discuss this video, and I hope that it makes sense.